Go readings, my action figure collector aficionados. I have been a little bit behind in schedule here with things, so I'm just getting to the Age of the Prime Aerialbots. Good old air raid here. I'm really excited to get into him, but first, please, you guys, please subscribe to the channel and leave comments below. I'm always ready to talk Transformers. I love the genre. I love geeking out. And like, subscribe, share the video to your other action figure collector aficionados in your life. It will help my channel grow, and I will greatly appreciate that. And all of that will feed into YouTube, which will make YouTube, share my video to a larger audience. So it would be greatly appreciated. Okay, on to this. Let's check out the packaging here. And we'll get through this pretty quick. 1 of 5. Oh, I can't wait to get them all. It's going to be so cool. Great illustrations. Age of the Primes. Got some more Prime statues in the back there. Good old Superion. One of my favorites as a kid. Nice product shot in the back here. Don't swallow things because that would be dumb. Typical stuff on the back. Very nice. All right. All right, let's check out Mr. Air Raid here. He is the guy that just likes to have fun in the group. He, even though, having fun is usually being reckless and blowing up bad guys, but he just considers that fun. That's his personality of the team. So he looks very good. He looks very much like his G1 cartoon counterpart. The hips being black is a major deviation from the cartoon. His legs go white all the way up to the hips. But I'm sure that is a plastic tolerance strength situation. So, typical Aerialbot kibble in the back. His jet nose, everything you'd expect. Very nice. Let's get in close. Nice painted eyeballs. His eyes look really good. Symbol. A little bit of white detailing there. All around, solid figure. All right, let's get to articulation. He can do a full exorcist. He's on a ball joint. A little bit, not much, back and forth, up and down. He can look up and down pretty good. All right. His arms could go all the way around, but they are blocked by the wings, so he is a natural reach. I don't think you would ever reach higher than that in real life, right? His arms do get blocked by the wings again there, unless you tuck them back. It will stretch out all the way at the shoulder that far. We've got bicep swivel, elbow articulation, and due to transformation, no wrist articulation here. It's just, it'll tuck in. So we've got waist swivel. He can kick all the way out. He can kick all the way back, even though it's a lot of junk going on back there. You can do the full splits, both directions, obviously. He's got the leg swivel. You got a almost 90-degree knee bend. His foot will go forward. Can't go back, but we do have the ankle tilt. So everything you would expect from a modern Transformer. All right, and on to transformation here. We will remove his pistolas. 1, 2. Set those back here. All right, and we'll do the fists. We'll tuck in. Like so. That up. Tuck in a fist. All right, now this little hole here which is the hinge, will tab onto this little peg, like so. The same over here. We'll go ahead and rotate his head all the way around, like so. And then we will just move these down. It'll be for transformation, but just to get it out of the way so you can see. This will all hinge up and around. Cover up his noggin, like so. Now this will all hinge and become the jet. Already halfway there, isn't that nice? Alright, so then we'll open the feet. Very Combiner Wars-like. Okay, and now the trick with this is you've got to slide the black part on this hinge past this white block. Okay, get that past, and then hinge it forward, and then you've got to fight it again to get it into place. Okay, and then swivel this forward and swivel the foot down into that spot. Pegs into place. Okay, same on this side. We've got to open the foot, swivel past that white block, swivel past it again, come around. Very Combiner Wars like. Pinch them together. Swivel this up forward. This heel goes into that little spot, just like the other side. Kaplunk, kaplunk. Oh, let me straighten out his arm here. Get that out of the way. Here we go. Everything fits nice together. Now this will tab into the arm, or the arm will tab into the wing there. Same over here. A little tab goes into that little slot. All right, and then fold down a tail wing and a tail wing, and rotate these around like so. And then we will put the weaponry under the wings. Like so. And man, is it refreshing to have a simple, straightforward transformation after Solus Prime. He does have, this will swivel forward here, his Autobot symbol swivels forward to make a landing gear. And then if you look at his feet here, his little heels are landing gear-esque, you know, hinting at it. So there you have it. So he does not have an Autobot symbol on the nose of the plane. He has nice white trim on the wings, like the cartoon. The Autobot symbols are a little dull on the black, you know, because they're just doing a red spray on black. That's not great. And it actually, on mine, this one is darker than this one. So I might put some decals on him. I don't know. Maybe I won't. Maybe I will. So there you have it. Thrusters in the back. And I am going to hold off on the combiner limb portion until I get all 5 guys together, and then we're just going to have a combiner party video. So there you have it. All right, let's get in a little detail here for some alt mode comparison here. I have Combiner Wars air raid. There they are from the side, that horrible mustard color. Yuck. They are kind of straight on there from the top. Right? Similar, but different. You know, I think this new combiner thing is to streamline the, you know, the Gesalt, you know, combined mode, just so it's a little more together, which I'm kind of excited for. So here he is with deluxe car, and then here he scales up with a Voyager Starscream. quick comparisons here. We have Combiner Wars Air Raid. And you say that's a pretty big difference. Let's just get in closer here with these guys. Just considering one is an update of a previous, right? So this yellow going on him, this mustard color, that's weird, right? So, and that freaking A stance, the slanted feet. Oh, I hated that back. That was a trend. It drove me insane. All right, we'll just for scale here. Here he is with smoke screen and just another one. See how he stacks up with a Voyager Starscream Seeker. All right, well, what can I say about Mr. Air Raid here? He is a great figure. The only hollow spots you really have in him are just for where his fists tuck into his forearm. There's no major gaps, nothing really big that you really feel like you'll need to get a gap filler for, or, you know, that it looks cheap. There are some, but they're small. Great articulation. This is the beginning of a much more streamlined, more articulated, posable Superion that I cannot wait to get on my shelf. He is sturdy. He looks like G1. He might lack in some paint apps just as far as detail, but they're going for the cartoon aesthetic. So that's okay with me. I mean, if I'm looking for more, I'll add it, but he just represents G1 to me, so it's totally fine. Only nitpick I really have is that the Autobot symbols on the wings are a little dark. They could have done the double hit, you know, the white and white outline with the red Autobot symbol, and it would have popped a whole lot better on the wings. But again, I can do decals if I want, if I feel that motivated. So again, the Aerialbots were my favorite combiner. And next to Menasor. They were my favorite two, so I cannot wait for these guys to be duking it out over their spot on my shelf. So he's definitely going on my shelf. What's going on your shelf? Are you guys going to keep Combiner Wars as well? I probably will be handing Combiner Wars over to my son once he proves to me that he won't just destroy him. That won't be today. That won't be tomorrow. That will be a sooner rather than later moment. But a nice father and son moment, I think. So, anyway, keep collecting. Be good to one another. Have fun out there. And I will see you soon with another review right here on